Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Lightroom. For that you need to go and open your app store and tap on your source button twice to open your keyboard. Just type ADOBE space Lightroom, and then this is our Lightroom. Just tap on get button and it will prompt you to double click on your power button. Then it will scan your face ID, and after that it will start to download this app, and it might take few seconds or minutes depending upon your network connection, or it also depends upon the size of this app. This app is not that big in size, so it might not take much time, but I guess my network is slow today, so it's taking a lot of time. And I'll just show you how it looks like once it downloads. If you find this button, this kind of button, that means it is being downloaded, and once you see open button in this area, that means it is downloaded and ready to use. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.